Hello everybody, it's Braden here from the City Storm Chasers, just coming to you with another weather update video. Just going to be covering today recent and current conditions, and then what's going to be happening towards the middle of this week, Tuesday into Wednesday. That's going to be our main story for today. We're going to be watching for that, and then we're going to go over a couple other things that could be happening in the near future. Chance in Sioux Falls for some morning snow showers on Friday here. But our main story is going to be that snowfall and rain on Tuesday and Wednesday, and that wind as well. So just taking a look at our current temperatures right now, it's 61 in Rapid City, it's 46 in Aberdeen, 52 here in Sioux Falls. It is 52 in Sioux City and 55 in Yankton, 52 in Pierre as well. We are clear for our skies currently. We got partly cloudy skies outside, but no rain, no nothing. Down here, we're going to actually switch over to our pivotal weather here and go over our current hazards. So our current hazards right now, we have a high wind watch in effect for portions of Nebraska and portions of western Iowa here. And then we have a winter storm watch in effect for portions of south central South Dakota and then most of central Nebraska as well. That winter storm watch, I wouldn't be surprised if it got extended over into more eastern Nebraska and western Iowa as well, just because that snow is supposed to build up towards the border of Iowa and South Dakota, or Iowa, South Dakota, and Nebraska here, and push north with those heavy winds. So it's not really about the accumulation of snow; it's about the wind creating blizzard conditions. Hence the winter storm watch. So continuing on here, we're going to start out with our temperatures. This is going to be a big factor, especially for the Sioux Falls area in the coming days, just for the sole fact of if it's not cold enough, it's not going to snow. So it's just going to rain. If it is cold enough, it's going to snow, and that's going to affect our snow totals. Just depends on when we go below freezing, when we start seeing that snow. So taking this out, this is Sunday at noon, so this is a little bit off here, but Sunday at noon, this is our latest model run that we have. So we're going to go into, this is Monday at 6 a.m., and then we'll have that high temperature of near 55 here in Sioux Falls tomorrow. This is Tuesday at 6 p.m., or Monday at 6 p.m., sorry. And then we're getting into Tuesday. We'll see those overnight lows creep into the 40s here, and maybe even dip down into the 30s for the Sioux Falls area. But up north and up west, we will see those upper 20s, low 30s here. But continuing on, this is Tuesday at noon. We will be seeing that moisture start to come in, and we will also be seeing our temperatures start to drop. As you can see there in Sioux Falls, 36 degrees. Up to the north there, they will be experiencing snow over there towards Watertown and over near Mitchell as well. The middle of the state will probably be experiencing light snow as well. We aren't expecting much snow for the western side of South Dakota, but that central area towards the east, we may see a good dose of snow, between 1 to 4 inches out of this storm. But continuing on, we will see those temperatures start to drop, and then the overnight lows will be in the 20s to the upper teens as well. So continuing on here, this is Wednesday at noon. We'll start to warm back up as that snow starts to push out, and overnight lows will start to dip back into the teens and 20s, and then we will start to see that warming, which will then melt that snow. So continuing on with this, we do have our 6-hour max wind gusts for you. This is going to be the major factor for our area. with this storm system. So parking this along here, here's our major thing here. This is Tuesday at 6 p.m. We're gonna push this along. This is when majority of the snow is starting to fall. We will see 40s and 50s in the Sioux Falls metro area. Down to the south, we could see 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And then also pushing this along into Wednesday during the day, we will be seeing 40 and 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And about Wednesday at midnight is when that, or Thursday at midnight is when those winds are supposed to die down and move out of the area. So majority of the threat for this storm system is going to be the wind, and we will be watching that as well, because this is some pretty windy weather. And if we do have the snow, 1 to 4 inches of snow isn't going to be our worries. It's going to be that wind-driven snow just tanking our visibility. So here's our future track. We will be timing this system out, just showing you how it's going to start forming and when it's going to try to track through the area. So down to the south here, towards the western part of Nebraska, we do see that low building in here. It'll start creating some showers, and then we'll see some showers. We'll see that start to form, and maybe even on the front side of it, parts of southern Iowa and northern Missouri might see some severe weather. But as we see that kind of move along, this is Tuesday at noon. We will be seeing rain in the metro area to the south as well. Snow over towards Mitchell, maybe even a wintry mix as well. And then we'll see that rain start to turn into snow about at about 6 p.m. The 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. area is when that rain is going to start to turn to snow. Most of Iowa is being covered by rain right now, but as we move that along, that rain turns into heavy snow as it pushes into Iowa, as that low starts to deepen and it starts to intensify. And as you can see there to the north, on the border between Montana and North Dakota, we see that high pressure system kind of pushing in on the backside of it, trying to clear everything out. So this is Wednesday at midnight. We will see that snow and wintry mix start to push out. We will still keep some windy weather. You may see some light flurries as well, just because of the wind and everything like that. But this is Wednesday at 6 p.m. Most of that snow, if not all of it, will be out of the area as we start to warm up and start to melt that snow. So most of you are wondering, what are we looking at for snowfall? So I'm just going to time this out and give you a little look-see at it here. This is our newest update as of noon today, or not noon today, it would now be 6 p.m. So this is the 6 p.m. model run. As we can see, this is Wednesday at 6 p.m. We're looking at 2.1 inches of snow in the Sioux Falls metro area. Points to the south and points to pretty much everywhere to the south, west, and east of us is getting more snow. Points north might get a smidgen more, but we're kind of in that weird area where rain might turn into snow and snow might not fall as much as other places around us. But as you can see in central Iowa is going to get walloped. To 10 inches of snow in north central Iowa, and then in parts of Minnesota as well, almost a foot of snow. So at least we're not getting that. We don't really want a foot of snow. We kind of want spring, I'm guessing. Most people want spring right about now, but that's what I want. Well, we don't really have much else to go over other than this system right here. I'm going to actually hold off on talking about this system on Friday because there's not really much information about it yet. I will hold that until tomorrow, until we get some more model runs as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you